The family of Ashley Prince, killed by her ex-father-in-law, Joseph Houston, says the fight for her children is not over.
The 8 News Now investigators first reported Ashley Prince was worried about her safety, previously hired security, and how her ex-husband sent a disturbing email just days before that shooting.
Vanessa Murphy here in studio with why the family says there were even more warning signs.
Ashley Prince's parents say she lived in constant fear for her and her children's safety. She fought for protection, but her slow-moving court battle over the custody of her 2 children failed her. In these cases, a family court judge has a lot of power. Ashley's family says the judge gave her ex-husband Dylan Houston chance after chance, despite his drug and alcohol use and text messages, sometimes up to 70 a day. Ashley's father read some of those text messages, which he says Dylan sent Ashley.
And I will chisel you down to a weaker and worthless sack of bones. And the kids are better off without you, and they will know it one day and never want to be around you. Prepare for a future on your knees. And I'll down your throat and anyone in your family. That's how I roll. And I'll crush you in ways you don't even comprehend. I don't want to see you unless you're in a casket.
At one point, Ashley had a restraining order against Dylan Houston. Her family says family court judge Bill Henderson didn't properly address red flags, and now Joe Houston, Dylan's father, committed the most egregious form of domestic violence by killing her and her new husband and attorney Dennis Prince during that child custody deposition 1 week ago. I reached out to Judge Henderson. A district court spokesperson says the court can't comment due to related pending matters. Ashley's parents say they'll continue to fight for custody of their grandchildren, a boy and a girl, ages 4 and 5.
And unfortunately, all of our fears became a reality. For the past 2 years, we have felt helpless and devastated as we witnessed Ashley endure verbal and mental abuse and threats at the hands of her husband, former husband, Dylan Houston.
Now, the Houston family sent a statement which reads in part, "None of us ever could conceive of our loving father doing something so egregiously out of character. Our hope is that through the darkness, despair, and grief, we can focus on the needs of the children. That focus extends to refraining from rebuttals and public accusations. Dylan is a dedicated father and is singularly committed to the welfare of his children. We are hopeful Dylan and his children will be together soon." Ashley and Dennis Prince also leave behind an infant. Ashley's sister says all 3 children are with her. Back to you.
A child custody hearing is scheduled for later this week, and we'll have that full statement from the Houston family on our website.